Disclaimer: always check local laws as laws changed often. Hi there, I just moved from the Midwest to Arizona. I grew up on a family farm where I learned to shoot and spent a lot of time sighting rifles in open fields. Now, recently transplanted for work, I'm settling in the Phoenix area and I need to know the gun laws here as a civilian gunner. I want to make sure I'm in compliance regarding suppressors, magazine capacity, duty to inform officers, and concealed carry. I did some digging into Arizona's gun laws and will share with you what I've found. I'll go through it step by step, back it with simple facts. First, suppressors. Suppressors are devices that reduce the noise from a gunshot and help protect your hearing. It's not like in the movies and completely silent, but they really can save wear and tear on your ears when you're practicing or hunting. In Arizona, suppressors are legal for civilians as long as you follow the Federal National Firearms Act, also known as the NFA, and that was established in 1934. The NFA was the result of the era of mobsters and Tommy guns. The NFA requires registration, a $200 tax stamp, fingerprints, photos, and ATF approval. The wait to get this can be 6 to 9 months, although online filing has sped it up a little bit. The Federal Hearing Protection Act came up in early 2025, and that would drop the NFA suppressor constraints and treat suppressors more like regular gun gear. But since Arizona's State Senate Bill passed 1449 passed in 2012, you can actually use suppressors for hunting in Arizona already. That makes dove and coyote hunts much easier on your ears in Arizona. Arizona also has a strong Second Amendment stance, and its preemption laws stop cities and municipalities from making their own bans. As of October 2025, there are no additional state requirements regarding suppressors. So if you're 21 or older and pass the checks, file ATF Form 4 and you're well on your way. Of course, always remember gun safety, and if you're new to suppressors, get professional training on how to fit and clean one. Even if you're an old pro when it comes to suppressors, make sure you regularly check ATF guides online to stay safe and legal. Next up, magazine limits. This one's pretty straightforward. Arizona has no limit. That's right, zero. Yep, you can own and use any size magazine you want as long as it works with your handgun or rifle. This policy comes from the state's hands-off approach and focus on personal responsibility. The federal ban from 1994 ended in 2004, and Arizona did not pass replacement legislation to ban these. Any localities trying to implement restrictions also get shut down by the preemption ARS 13-3108. And today, NRA, ILA, and DPS all say that through mid-2025, it's all about personal duty. So always make sure that you're practicing proper gun safety and check federal and state rules for out-of-state trips. Hey friends, if this Arizona gun laws breakdown helps and you want more stories like this on other states or topics, hit that subscribe button now. Please like this video to show your support and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss the next video. Be it more firearm facts or other topics about the Grand Canyon State, your support keeps these takes coming. Next on our quest for Arizona gun law clarification is duty to inform. In Arizona, you do not have to tell the officer right away you can carry concealed. However, this was refined in the 1990s through the 2000s amid officer safety concerns. So now if you're asked by an officer, you must answer truthfully. Good advice always: keep your hands visible, no quick movements, stay calm, be clear and unthreatening. Yes, officer, I have a concealed firearm. Finally, what's the deal with concealed carry in Arizona? Arizona's Senate Bill 1108 effective in 2010, made Arizona the third state for permitless concealed carry. That means as long as you're 21 years of age and legal to carry a gun, you don't need a permit. As of October 2025, no changes are in process to this law. All told, Arizona laws hearken to bold self-reliance and personal responsibility. The rules are pretty straightforward, so fellow Arizonians, make sure you own wise, stay informed, train often, and revel in your liberty, Grand Canyon state. What do you think? Does Arizona have it right or wrong when it comes to these laws? Chime in below and let me know what you think.